Whoa, yo, yo, yo. Oh, girl, I love to know letting me this year. Why they give me so much? Why I think that me be the only thing that you get. Allow me to drink water, drop cup in peace.
You sent for me.
Officer Benji, yes, I sent for you. How are you?
I'm fine. And you too?
I'm good now that you are here. Because I have one arrogant tenant, Rookie. He's a hoodlum. He has been owing me a 2 years house rent. He does not want to pay. There is money. Every morning he goes to work and come back in the night. If it's not cooking stew, he's cooking curry. Now Rookie now wants to sell my house in the dream. And I say, before he can sell my house in the dream, can't you be OG before Abani Ruwa Abani Muadazafia? So I want you to apprehend Rookie, crimp Rookie, sentence Rookie. Even if you fire a squad, fire him and squad him, let him disappear. Please, Officer Benji.
Oga landlord, they don't call me Officer Benji for nothing. And that's why the federal government posted me to this district. If you see where I dey handle guns,
Yeah?
I dey shoot like Rambo.
Yeah?
Can you take me to that? What do you call him? Is it root or rat? His store. Take me to his store. Let me show him who I am.
Officer Benji, I can see the way you are vibrating and I'm very happy that you know what to do. Please, cripple him. Let me take you to that hoodlum. Be careful when you arrest him because that boy can run from
Wait. Where is
Let's be going.
this way? Take me there. Let's go.
This boy. Rookie! Rookie! Rookie, I know you are Indian, Rookie. He said that my lawyer cannot do anything, Rookie. Now I'm bringing Officer Benji, a federal government officer, to come and collect my house rent, or you'll be arrested, Rookie. Rookie, come out here. Officer Benji.
Is he in there?
Yes. Rookie is in there. He's in there. He's in there. Rookie. He's here.
Okay, Mr. Landlord, let me handle this thing professionally.
So you bring Rookie out for me and arrest Rookie?
Yes.
Apprehend the Rookie for me?
Yes.
Okay.
Rookie! Rookie! Listen and listen to me attentively. This is Officer Benji, the federal government officer. Come out here and let me let you to know that this compound have been comprehended with my FT officers.
Yes.
And let me let you to understand that I am the only Officer Benji who single-handedly killed Osama bin Laden. Anyhow, in attempt or unattempt, you want to escape.
Oh, attempt.
You will be firing by firing squads. What will break this all?
Hey, Officer Benji, you don't dare to. This town is more expensive than that 2 years house rent. That hoodlum is owing me. It's not because of Rookie you will spoil my property. You are a federal government officer. You will find a way to arrest that Rookie hoodlum. That boy I told is in there.
Good afternoon, sir.
I know the government tattoo. How are you?
What is the problem, man? I've been hearing your voice from inside.
Is it not Rookie? Rookie has been owing me 2 years house rent. And Rookie does not want to pay me. And Rookie said my lawyer cannot do anything. Now I'm bringing Officer Benji, a federal government officer, so that he can come and arrest me, Rookie amicably, so he can pay me.
Oga landlord, there's nothing too big for the Lord to handle. Okay? Can we hand this case over to the Lord?
See, another Reverend Tattoo. The case has been handed to Officer Benji for the federal government officer.
Yes.
I cannot hand it over to you. So, you now, if you want to bring Rookie out, you bring Rookie. If you don't want to bring Rookie out, you leave Officer Benji to do his work.
Officer, can you shift? Rookie! Ruru! Rookie, this is Pastor Tattoo. Ambassador Tattoo, the most holiness Tattoo. Your anointed neighbor. Can you come out? Let's handle this case professionally. Or better still, amicably.
Officer Benji, let's leave this man here. Yes, he can turn here to church. Okay. Yes. After, you know how to...
Sir, are you going, sir?
No, I'm staying. Oh, no.
Rookie, please, can you come out? They've gone. Come out, my guy. My partner in crime. Can you come out? No, this guy don't work out. They had wound my hand, they scatter my hand, say I did not. Even the landlord self, no fit appreciate me. Small money, no fit. They make noise, they wake up like say the native doctor. And not be me, they chop in tight. You go, they wake up like say the native doctor. My guy, I beg you there. So come out.
This is what I'm telling you about that boy. That boy is a tyrant. He's a hoodlum. That boy is in there. He's in there. Oh. That boy. He said that I'm with a federal government policeman, and that's why he does not want to open the door. And he keep telling me I cannot do anything. He think I will come with a lawyer today. That boy, I want you to help me. Just that now that we have not seen him, I'm worried. I'm very worried now.
Don't worry, huh? Don't worry. He think he's very smart and intelligent. I will told him that I am Officer Benjamin, and I know what to do. Oga Landlord, what is it that this guy likes so much?
You know that Rookie, he's a hoodlum like I told you. And you know hoodlums like Ibekus. Ibekus, he like Ibekus.
Can you explain?
Let me tell you what is Ibekus. Oh, he like oh.
Oh,
No.
Onyaru.
No,
Onyaru.
Oh no. You got it? Yes.
Onyaru.
Utujunwa. All those if you bring him, you see him jump like a rat in a trap. You apprehend him for me. Yes. Oh no. Hey, Ewutam. Federal government, No, it's not federal government that I'm suffering from. It's from my business partners. Even another people that always pay me, even if they pay me half. That is, now they are paying quarter. The business I will give for them, I don't even want to talk about Mbuko, but see, that one is no-go area. Where is Bidimi? Let me call Bidimi. Bidimi on your family. Let me know when I go get send him, he always understands me. Not in the Mbuko bullshit that does not understand me, that they are very angry. They are very angry to pay up. Who is that?
It's Samantha.
Samantha. And you can come in, Samantha. Betty number is off. What is this? Betty that doesn't call me now. Samantha, how are you? Yeah, I sent it for you. You know, Samantha, you know I like you in this compound. And I want you to help me and do something. As there's something that has been bothering me. And you know you're a prayer warrior, you solve problems.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I just want you to help me and solve one problem that I'm having. I'm not sleeping well. Daytime, I am not drinking water well.
What happened?
Okay. It's about one tyrant.
Tyrant?
Yeah, one hoodlum in my compound.
Hoodlum?
Yes. No other person than Rookie.
That one.
Yes. Thank God you know Rookie. Because he's a tyrant he's a barbing salon too. He cannot even pay where he's working. He's tyrant my life too. It's not like I don't know what to do. I can make him disappear. I can make him go to jail, life imprisonment. Because I'm a father figure. And I say, let me find a way and settle it amicably. I have brought a federal government officer, Benji. Officer Benji of federal government, a gallant officer. Gallant officer came. And I saw Rookie pass. And I said, officer, let's go. So you can see that Rookie does not want to pay me my money. We'll go to Rookie's door. I knock. Rookie does not answer me. Officer Benji knock, want to break him down my door. I said, Officer Benji, don't break him down my door. That you don't break my door is more expensive, more than the house rent. Now, anointed Reverend Tattoo was passing. You know, he's a tattoo, you know, he's a prayer warrior and like solving case. He said he can handle the case. I said, okay. The next thing, Tattoo and Reverend Anointed knock. I wanted to turn that place to a prayer warrior church. I said, no. I said, you can turn that place to a chapel if you want to. Me, I'm living. That's it. I know what Officer Benji can do for me. And I left. And I asked myself, what can I do to apprehend that hoodlum? And what to come to my mind is you, Samangwa. I want you to help me and hold that hoodlum because he like it, Ujuma, he like it, almost like you, Mona, like you. If that boy see you and you knock and he look from the window and he see you, he jump out, I catch her with the federal government officer Benji.
What you're asking of me is so much, it's too much, but what will you pay me?
I will give you 3 months house rent.
3 months?
Yes.
Oga landlord, why not make it 2 years?
You say, hey, Samantha, you want to rob Peter and pay Paul? He didn't even say 6 months. He said 2 years. Rookie, good luck, is owing me 2 years. Samantha, prayer warrior, want a 2 years free. Samantha. If you want to apprehend Rookie, you apprehend Rookie. But if you don't want to apprehend Rookie, no problem. I know who my enemy are. I can count them one by one.
Calm down. Okay, let me just. It's not that 3 months is anything, no. But let me just help you and do it since it's you now.
My prayer warrior, move mountain for me. If you help me and apprehend that Rookie, immediately of that Benji, hold Rookie, and Rookie pay me. I can even from there know what I can do for you again.
Alright now, it's okay. Let me just hurry up.
Okay, Samama, you can go where you are going. Thank you.
Thank you.
Betty, me, my man, when you're one call again, because Betty, me, can you just pick up and he remit me, even if he can pay me half, pay me half. Say no, Richard. Federal government and MTN network and Glow network and the Tisarati network want to kill us.
Danny, keep that back for me, come to go out. Make I see my guy.
But Oga, you never give me money today for sure. I know you didn't give me money today.
Danu, I never give you money. Danu,
Oga.
Danu, how many times I call you?
Oga, you be like saying 3 times.
You think I don't see money where that man give you for workshop? Danu.
Which money? That.
You think I don't see where that man give you for money for workshop?
Oga, forget that money. Forget that money. That money now. I want to save money. I want to go marry for my village, Oga.
See Danu, you want marry before your Oga. They marry your Oga, don't marry. Danu,
Oga.
Take your time, make I give you money. Make Danu go give you money where you go use marry. Make I give you money, make you take marry. I beg, drop that thing, come to go house. I beg, make I see my guy. They tell me I give you money, make you take marry. See Danu. Rookie. Ha. Rookie. So say Rookie there inside. Rookie. Feel like say Rookie no there. When my phone, make I call Rookie. Ah, so where I don't knock here, Rookie know the answer. Hello?
Hello, Nantos.
Rookie, how you doing now?
Okay, what's up?
I just come back now, say make I check you now. I knock for your door, there. Nobody dey open door. You no even open door. Where you come there now?
I know that I travel.
You travel? Where you travel go now, Rookie?
I go my sister, cousin, brother, younger sister birthday.
You travel go your younger sister birthday. Which one be that one now, Rookie?
Father, mother, cousin, sister, grandfather died, so we born the burial.
From birthday to burial. Your younger sister, father, cousin die. Rookie, you go burial.
Nantos, now this will make you call me. What happen now?
When you dey come back, Rookie? When you go come back?
I go there like 2 years before I come back.
Rookie, 2 years before you go come back.
Now, Tos, what's happening now? It's not 2 years I want to stay.
You follow the person die?
Now, Tos, I don't tell you how it be.
Okay, no wahala. Now when you come back now, we there now. I say make I know. Alright.
Now, what are you doing at Ruki's door?
Oga Lord, I don't tell you say my name no be Nati, Oga Lord. Why you go come me this evening? Why I just dey come back to call me Nati? My name no be Nati na Oga Lord. My name na Nantos na. Here you go get problem for this name wey dey spoil for me o. Oga Lord.
Now, what are you doing at Ruki's door? Because you, I don't trust you. I've been there monitoring you and you're calling Ruki. And I know you know where Ruki is hiding. You know Ruki is hiding out. Now hoodlum. You bird with the same feather. You people will fly together. Where is Ruki?
Oga Lord, na you say Ruki, I've moyen che Ruki. Na me dey keep Ruki. I go take nowhere Ruki there. Now you come dey ask me, they disturb me for Ruki. I just come back. You know, I don't need to stop. I won't go rest, Oga Lord.
Shut up there.
I don't want go rest. I don't get your time for this compound now.
Shut up there. Mechanic on if you be making that you are the landlord of this compound, why you are the tenant, bloody fool. No problem. Okay. You know this Ruki and no problem. I know what to do with them. No problem. Hey, Ruki, in the dago, we'll let you forget.
That's why you come to my house today.
I just let me come and see you.
Yeah.
Yes.
I come inside now.
No, wait. Let's just stay here now.
Why? Who go inside now?
No, come
Samantha, come
wait.
inside.
Wait. No one I like you now. So let's just stay small.
Come inside, Samantha.
Who's long?
What did I do?
What did I do? You are under arrest.
Also,
You are under arrest.
Who's the hoodlum?
What did I do?
Grab you well.
You are under arrest.
So you have been in this house?
Yes.
And Officer Benji came. I came. And then the friend tattoo came. You could not come out. Now Samantha would do one other thing. You came out.
No, what did I do you?
Hold him.
You are under
Who's
arrest.
this man?
Let's go to the station.
What the police they do here now? Look, I think say you travel now. When you come back now?
Hey, I'm in trouble. I just come back this morning. Go. Fuck no, call police on me.
Landlord, why you call police now, landlord?
This is not police, it's federal government. Benji!
Hey, landlord,
Who's this man?
What happened?
You ask me what is the problem?
Yes, sir.
I don't have a tattoo. When you see me and Officer Benji here, calling Ruki, doing no and no, Ruki come out. You say you can handle the case. Did you bring Ruki out? Shut up there! What's this man? Move!
Lord, please, can we hand this case over to the Lord?
Shut up there! Hand over this to what? What he could not do?